Students, we are going to talk about today vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative propagation, the growth and development of a plant by asexual means. These are the example of the vegetative reproduction. And development of plants occurs through fragmentation and regeneration of the body parts. Plants grow anywhere else. You have seen undesirably unwanted plants. Okay, you have seen here the people plant with the money plant. The tomato plant with so plant. How is it? So, vegetative reproduction takes place through the fragmentation and regeneration. What are the cause of the vegetative reproduction propagation? Vegetative propagation caused by the meristem tissue actively divide by the mitosis process. Types of the vegetative propagation. There is the mainly broad two types of the vegetative propagation. First, artificial involves human intervention, cutting, grafting, layering, suckering, and tissue culture. The unwanted grass in this plant is a kind of the vegetative reproduction or propagation. Okay, you have seen here. Okay. This is the plant of the ragi. Okay, between this so plant with this so plant is growing very well, and another tall grass plant with this plant, that is the example of vegetative propagation. The plant of basil with this plant, that is the example of the vegetative propagation. How it occurs? Okay, this is occurred due to the seeds of basils from here, okay, propagate here, and the basil grown here. Some very small grass plant with the basil. Yes, these are the unwanted grass plants with the so plant of this. These are the undesirable plants. They are called weeds. If some kind of the undesirable plants grow with our commercial crop, they are called the weeds. We have to use the weedicide to remove them by the means of the manual. Okay, these are the example of the vegetative propagation. In this plant, we will also see the vegetative propagation. And by the natural means, first we talked about the types of the vegetative propagation, artificial and the natural. Natural, rhizomes, runners, bulbs, and tubers. Okay, the money plant is the runners. You have seen, these are the runners These are the creepers. Okay, they have this kind of, that is the kind of the nodes and this kind of the roots. Okay, they help them to grow anywhere else and run on the ground or anywhere else. Tubers, cones and plantulets. Tubers, these are the plants which grow through the tube-like structure. They are tubers. They grow with the help of tubers. The plantain, banana, ginger, all those are called tubers. This is Bryophyllum or Brahmakamal, the rare species grown in high mountains, but it is here. The Bryophyllum can be grown with the help of nodes of this leaves. It can grow with the help of the leaves. Anywhere else, it can be grown on the rocky mountains. Blossoms flower in July, midnight. One or two flowers or more flowers. The Bryophyllum, Brahmakamal. This grass is growing here, and that is called the layering. The garden lawn grass can be grown running, creeper like, spread throughout the ground. Papaya, papain. It is temperate zone plant. The abundance of the papain, peptic enzyme and vitamin A. You have seen here the creepers are running on this fence, and that is the best example of vegetative propagation. And this hard, intense summer, they can live here. Some berry. The most important plant with the medicinal value. It contains abundance of the calcium and the well-known medicinal plant throughout the world that is called the Sahajan Surajna. Okay, it contains leaves, stem, trunk. Everything is very important as a medicine. It grow anywhere else. It is very weak plant. No hardwood, softwood, and it has the beans, the Sahajan beans. Sahajan beans. It contains calcium, rich, nutritious vegetable that is also called the drumstick plant. Sahajan. Bamboo is the tallest grass in the world with a hard stem and just like the buses. This is a grafted chiku plant. Before it, the chiku plant is not plant, just like a tree. It is the very small plant and gives the fruits. That is the great example of the horticulture, well-developed plant. I bought this plant from a horticulture nursery before 2004 and planted here, and I have got per year 10 to 20 kg of fruits from it. Not only the 10 to 20, more than it. The chiku plant. And look, the fruits here, and very, very the example of horticulture and vegetative propagation. It was developed by Amalthas, Kachnar, blooms and hot summer season. The yellow flowers attract us very much. And these are the beans of the Amalthas. Very lucrative, very beautiful example of nature.